सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्लोका नंबर 263। यच्चकास्त्यन परम्परात् परम् प्रत्यगेकरसमात्मलक्षणम् सत्यचित्सुखमनन्तमव्ययम् ब्रह्मतत्त्वमसि भावयात्मनि। शंकराचार्य continuing the topic of Nididhyasanam, after giving the whole teaching, the Mahavakya Upadesha, the final presentation is how one has to assimilate the teaching, how one has to internalize the teaching and get the benefit of knowledge. Those practices are called meditation only, but it is a type of nididhyasana dhyanam. Nididhyasanam is a type of meditation. The better word is contemplation. This contemplation is different from that ordinary meditations. Many people do meditation practice without studying Shastra, mantra japa, going to lot of practices of meditation, Ashtanga Yoga meditations, Dhyana, Samadhi. These meditations, what they practice, people, before the study of scriptures, they practice. We are not talking about that meditation here. That is only a preparatory step for Chitta Ekagrata. Here Shankaracharya is talking contemplation, nididhyasanam, after the completion of Mahavakya Vichara. This we must know very clearly. A Vedantic student never perform a meditation to get jnanam. A Vedantic student never perform meditation to get knowledge. Why? Meditation can never give knowledge. Unfortunate thing. People think meditation will give self-knowledge. Because I have to experience that Atman in meditation. Meditation is meant to get self-realization, Atma Darshanam. This is the wrong concept, very, very, very deeply rooted in the minds of people, even highly educated also. Shastra very boldly says meditation will never give jnanam. Meditation prepares your mind to listen to Shastra. Meditation helps you to focus the mind, to channelize the mind, to direct the mind, to master your mind. But knowledge is different. You have to understand by studying scriptures. After studying scriptures, Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, some Prakarana Granthas for a length of time, repeatedly, then I contemplate, I do Nididhyasanam, is a type of meditation. While sitting and thinking, I am Brahman. I am consciousness. With this incidental body, I am the Atma, I have the temporary incidental body. Shankaracharya says, that Brahman, Brahma, Tat Brahma, Tvamasi Bhavaya. Bhavaya means Chintaya, repeatedly, again and again. How we are so much convinced, I am a female, I am a woman. How firm, how much conviction you have that you never have any samshaya, any viparyaya, no sandeha. That is why Tattva Bodha, we saw, just as you are this Purushaha, Stri, Jnanam is there, that much firmly you have to say, I am Brahman. Therefore, Shankaracharya asking, Brahma tat tvamasi bhavaya. So, when Guru says, that Brahman you are, you contemplate. What I have to say? I am that Brahman. I am that Brahman. Brahman and myself, my original consciousness nature are identical. I means not Sukshma Shariram, Sthula Shariram, gross body, subtle body. RC I had to negate. RM I have to negate. Causal body also I have to negate. I am Paratparam, Vilakshanam to all these three Sharirams. Yat Chakasti. Look into the shloka, we are seeing that shloka. Yat Chakasti, that which is shining. Swayam Jyoti. Anaparam. Anaparam means that which is not having anything other than itself. Anaparam means that which is not having second thing other than itself. That is called Anaparam. Who is that Anaparam which is not having second thing than itself? Myself. My original nature. My original conscious nature. My original conscious nature also is not right. I am the original consciousness is Anaparam. Beyond all these whole universe. Parat Param. Parat Param means what? Even Karya Karana Vilakshanam anartham. Avyaktam, Vyaktam, Avyaktam. Vyaktam means Karya Prapancha, effect. Avyaktam means Karana Prapancha. The consciousness is neither Karyam nor Karanam. Karya Karana Vilakshanam Ahamasmi, that is called Paratparam. What is status? One person is coming and telling, you are a very rich person, you need not beg anywhere, you have lot of treasure. Therefore, you see some people, rich people, in spite of having lot of money, they go and beg. This is the prarabdha. In spite of having lot of money, treasure, everything, they cannot eat, they cannot enjoy, they cannot live happily. Even what is our lot? We keep, Swamiji always give one example. Puja Swamiji, Dayananda Swamiji. See that Vetalapak, every day that person put Vetalapak. He buy the new Vetalapak. Yesterday, fridge old Vetalapak irkom. Okay. And daily he buy new Vetalapak and keeps in the fridge. And take the old Vetalapak and put. He never enjoy the new Vetalapak. Vetalapak mattume illa. All our vegetables, fruits, fresh della fridge la veche. Namman enna nenikran? Very intelligently, I am maintaining the fridge. Enna intelligent? This is intelligence. Ella old kaigari saapidrom, ella old enna. எப்போதான் நம்ம ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக சாப்பிட போகிறது? அது மாதிரி ஆல்வேஸ் பீப்புள் இன்ஸ்பைட் ஆஃப் ஹேவிங் திஸ் ஆத்ம தத்துவம் தானாவா இருந்தே துக்கமா சோகமா எப்பவுமே கேஸ்டர் ஆயில் ஃபேஸ் வச்சுட்டு அண்ட் டிஸ்டர்பிங் அதர்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. அதர்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் ஒய்ஃப் அண்ட் ஹஸ்பண்ட். இஃப் வைஃப் ஹேவிங் கேஸ்டர் ஆயில் ஃபேஸ் கொஞ்சம் அவருக்கு கூட பூத்துடுது. இப்போ அப்பா அம்மாக்கு இருந்ததுன்னா குழந்தைக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் போகணுமே, அது விடாது கேஸ்டர் ஆயில். அது மாதிரி என்ன ட்ராஜடி இது, பிக் ட்ராஜடி. அகம் பிரம்மா ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம் நித்திய புத்த முக்தஸ்வரூபா அகம். எப்படி ஆனந்தமா சந்தோஷமா இருக்கணும். ஆஃப்டர் 1 hour again our whole story will come in the mind. 6 to 7, that's all. Over. Next what? I am a housewife, I am a mother, I am a mother-in-law. All tragedy will start immediately. பூர்ணமதா கூட சொல்லவே வேண்டாம். அது என்னமோ அவ்வளோ அட்ராக்ஷனு, அவ்வளோ அநாதி ஜென்ம வாசனையா, பூர்வார்ஜிதம். பூர்வார்ஜிதம் மேல அவ்வளோ அட்டாச்மெண்ட். என்ன பண்றது? ஓகே. பிரத்யக் ஏகரசம். பிரத்யக் ஏகரசம் மீன்ஸ், ஏகரசம் பிரத்யக் மீன்ஸ் non-different from. Pratyak means Jivatma. Pratyak means I, the Jivatma, the individual consciousness. Pratyak, Ekarasam, non-different from the original. That is Pratyak Ekarasam. Then Atma Lakshanam. Atma Lakshana means, I have already given that sloka in the last class. I am the Swarupam of Atma. Who am I? I am the all-pervading and I am experiencer of every object and giving sentiency to the inert body, inert mind, sense organs. My Swarupam, my Lakshanam is what? This is my Lakshanam. Echati is apnoti. I am all pervading, like the electricity is all pervading, but recognizable in certain bulb and certain instruments. So here in this it is recognizable, available in artham. So Atma Lakshanam Sat Chit Sukham Anantam Avyayam. Chit means consciousness. I am that conscious entity. Sat means existent principle. I am, I know. I am, I know. I am is existent principle. I know, Chit principle. These two only first begin. I am, I know. First I am, I know I am a human being. I know my husband, my children, my house, my teacher, everything I know. So our whole transaction begin with what? I am, I know. This is I am is Sat, I know is Chit. Clear? This I am, I know what? I am, நான் இருக்கேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் எப்படி இருக்கேன்னா வைஃபா இருக்கேன், ஹஸ்பண்டா இருக்கேன், டாட்டர் இன்லா இருக்கேன். இது நாலேஜ். Now try to remove these two sentences, try to interact. I am, I know. Without these two. Sat, Chit. This is the limitless. When you are Sat, Chit, tell me now. I am, I know. When? In every interaction. But all other roles, not all the time. Are you getting the point? I am Sat, I am Chit all the time. I am the Sat, I am the Chit all the time. But I am wife, I am mother, I am daughter-in-law. All these roles came temporarily to me, which I am, I know. They are added. Whatever is added, additions can be any time. You can subtraction, that you can delete. Can you delete I am, I know? Think over. Can you delete I am, I know? Never. That is called Anantam, limitless, all the time. I am, I know. I am, I know. Even in deep sleep, after getting up, you say, I slept well. That means what? I was there in the sleep. I know that I slept well, but you have no instrument to talk. Sense organs are not functioning. After getting up immediately, you know, I slept very nicely. Husband ku tatti எல்லாம் சொல்றது, நேத்தி தான் நல்லா தூக்கம் வந்ததுன்னா, அரே எப்படி தெரியும் அண்ணா? நல்லா தெரியும் சுவாமி அண்ணா. That means what? நான் இருந்தேன், எனக்கு தெரியும். Including sleep. What to talk of Swapna and Jagrat, waking stage and dream. Sleep தெரியும் போது you are very much aware of waking state and dream state also. That is called Anantam. See the word. Sat, Chit, Sukham, Anantam. This is called Sukham. Sukha Swarupam. I am, I know is Sukha Swarupam. I am wife is only problem. I am husband is a problem. I am, I know is no problem. Clear? ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರ್ಪೇನೆ. My mind is problem for me. I am not problem to myself, but my mind is the problem for me. I am not problem to myself. My body is problem to me. Clear? That means no one can say I am problem to myself as OC. Understand? Everybody loves himself or herself. Atmanastu kamaya sarvam priyam bhavati. I love myself. Why I love my husband? Because he helps me. That's why I love. Why I love my wife? Because she is very, very helpful for me. That's why I love. Atmanastu kamaya. For my sake. That is called Sukham. So where is our first primary Sukham? நான் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும், நான் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் சுவாமி. அப்புறம்தான் மற்றவங்க எல்லாமே பிடிக்குமோ பிடிக்காத வேற விஷயம். I love myself. What is that? Is only Sukham. Sat, I am, Chit, I know, is a Sukha Swarupam. But some people hate themselves and get suicide. They don't love themselves, that's why they get suicide. They get suicide not because they don't love themselves. Clear? They are very much disturbed by the problems, not out of aversion towards themselves. Suppose a chocolate is there, full of ants are there inside. You go on doing. Sometimes chocolates, the ants, all red ants, goes inside. One whole moolama ulla poidum. And you see the only one ant outside. Then what you do? You do that and you want to eat that chocolate. When you do, what comes? One more ant comes out. The more and more ants are coming, what do? Throw the chocolate. You throw the chocolate because of what? Not you don't like the chocolate. Because of ants. That's why people throw themselves in the grip of suicide, not because they don't love themselves. Because of problems, ants are coming out. That's why they throw themselves. Adu madri. Adu the Sukha Swarupam I am. Anantam, limitless, avyayam. Ananta means limitless, avyaya means Atma is not exhaustible. It is not an exhaustible Ananda or exhaustible existence or exhaustible consciousness. It is endless, but all the time, existence, consciousness, Ananda. All these are there. Avyayam, Vyaya Rahitam, decayless. Who is that? Tat Atma Brahman Tvamasi. Adida. Tvamasi. You are. Then what is all you have to say? You should not show hand to me. Yes, Swamini, you are. Na. Array, when Guru shows like this hand, you are. Na, you have to turn that hand to yourself. I am. This is a language. You are that. I am. Minimum language. This is what we learn. Minimum language. Person, 3 people are going. Hey, you come here. Hey, donkey. All people look at. No? Hey, donkey. You are not donkey. Why you are looking at that side? Suppose anybody calls a donkey. Generally people know, when they are under anger, just like that they shout. Donkey and kupta, nee edhukku and pakkam paakano. Nee donkey illiyo. You are not the donkey. Why you look at that? Doubt. இவனுக்கு ஒருவேளை நான் டாங்கியோ అని டவுட் இல்லைன்னா இந்த கழுத்து இப்படியே ஹெட் ஹவு இட் கேன் டர்ன். ஸோ பி ஃபர்மாக இருக்கணுமா வேண்டாமோ? அதுதான் தத்துவம்னா ஹூ நோஸ் சுவாமினி அது சொல்லக்கூடாது. அரே சாஸ்திரா இஸ் டெல்லிங், ஐயோ திங்க் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாமே, ஒருவேளை ஐ மேபி ஏ பிரம்மன், கொஞ்சம் மேபியில கூட வரலாம் இல்லையோ. I may be a Brahman. There is a possibility to get ஞானம் அர்த்தம். இல்லை நான் எப்படி பிரம்மா ஆக முடியும் சுவாமினி, எல்லாமே அழுக்குதான், என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? So therefore give the benefit of doubt to the teacher. So ஏதோ teacher is talking something, let us listen, let us wait and see. Why I have to come to conclusion I am not Brahman? Let us see. So there is a possibility to get knowledge. Next shloka. Shloka number 264. उक्तमर्थमिममात्मनि स्वयम् भावयेत् प्रथितयुक्तिभिर्धिया संशयादिरहितं कराम्बुवत् तेन तत्त्वनिगमो भविष्यति. Now Shankaracharya concluding the topic of Nididhyasanam, Nigamana Vakyam, concluding statement about contemplation. Brahma Tattvamasi, Brahma Tattvamasi, Jolli, Idhikapram is concluding. How you have to own up this fact. Uktam Artham. Imam Uktam Artham. Imam means Imam Artham Bhavaya. Bhavaya is there in the second line. Imam Artham is there in the first line. Uktamartham Imam is there. So Imam Artham Bhavaya. We have to Anvaya. Do like that. Imam Artham Bhavaya means we should meditate upon this teaching. Anartham. Uktam Artham means teaching. The whole teaching, the meaning, the contextual meaning, you have to meditate upon that. So meditation means Nididhyasanam. After studying scriptures, meditation and Channavadane, Swamini said meditation, so I will go and home, no need to come to class, I do meditation. On what do you do meditation? Some students, not students, somebody came to my class once, they are telling, Swamini, I do daily meditation. And what? She herself telling, Soham Brahma, Soham Brahma, Soham Brahma. She started doing meditation. And Soham Brahma ni kuda chalala. Shokam Brahma, Shokam Brahma, Shokam Brahma, she said. In Tamil, Shoham, Shogam, and Mahesh ki Magesh, they say. But Shoham ki enna solluva? Shogam. Kaka gaga ellane onnuda. Appo Shokam aidutade. I am Shokam, I am Shokam. Brahman kuda Shokama pannitan. Amma, in this Brahman Shokam and Swaha Aham Brahman, how do you know? Some guru gave. That also she said. She got the mantra diksha from a guru. That guru gave Soham Brahma. That Brahma you are. Saha Brahma. Na Saha Aham Brahma. And started doing meditation. Then she's getting headache. You never studied Shastra. How that Guru gave this Soham Brahma meditation. Really, the teachers also, without studying Shastra, the highest Mahamantra, Mahamantra Mrutyunjay mantra kudukaname tavara Soham Brahma should not supposed to give for japa. And you Soham Brahma cholli ஒரு நாளைக்கு you become Brahman. அவங்களுடைய நினைப்பு அப்படி நினைச்சு they are giving. How can you become? Suppose you go on thinking, I am a Stri, suppose I think I am a Purushaha, I am a Purushaha, I am a Purushaha. Will you become a male person? Tell me. Suppose a Purusha doing I am a Stri, I am a Stri, I am a Stri. Will he become a Stri? Is it possible? Tell me now. When it is not possible, same way, that Brahman Ahamasmi, that Brahman Ahamasmi, how is it possible? How unintelligently people chant. And avararu sannyasi paapam mahatmanu solli innama panninde irka pooja panninde avan nenichinde dhyanam pandra. இங்க பாவையா மீன்ஸ் நிறைய இந்த 260 ஸ்லோகாஸ் படிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் இது பாவையா புரியுறது. இது எல்லாம் கன்ஃபியூஷன். கன்ஃபியூஷன் அவங்களுக்கு கன்ஃபியூஷன் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயதி. They make others to get confused. That's why very careful with the teachers. Very, very careful. கூட்டம் எங்கேயாவது வருவா. கூட்டத்துக்கு வர்றதுக்கு என்ன திங்கிங் பீப்புள் வராரா இல்லையான்னு தான் கொஸ்டின் தவிர கூட்டம் எல்லா இடத்துல வந்துடும். So here Shankaracharya says, Imam Uktam Artham Bhavaya. Whatever I taught to you, that Mahavakya, you have to contemplate. You are the OC, you are not the RC, you are not the RM, you are not the Sukshma Shariram, Sthula Shariram, Karana Shariram. You have to think the whole teaching அப்படியே masticate பண்ணணும். அன்னும் masticate பண்ணுறோமோ இல்லையோ இதையாவது masticate பண்ணணும். அங்கே masticate பண்ணலன்னா செகண்ட் டைஜஷன் இஸ் டேக்கிங் பிளேஸ் இன்சைட் குக்கிங். இங்கே இது masticate பண்ணலன்னா nobody will protect us. ஓகே. உக்தமர்த்தம் இமம் Swayam Atmani. Swayam means in your own mind. Atmani means buddhau anartham. Swam buddhau, your own intellect, your own mind, in your own antakaranam anartham. Bhavaya. Prathita yukti bhihi dhiya. How this you got this teaching? Not just casual listening, not time pass listening, not for punya sake listening, but how you are doing yuktitaha. That is very important word. Yuktishu prathitam means Shruti anusarinam yukti. That yukti, that logic backed by the Shruti. Shruti is in front, yukti is coming behind. Not yukti front, Shruti behind. Some people ellame logical, they first start talking. You Shruti ella venda swamini, enakella logical sollungo first. Ella rational, I am a rational person. என்ன நிறைய ரேஷன் கார்டு எல்லாம் வாங்கி வச்சிருக்காரு. ரேஷனல் பர்சன். நீ ரேஷனல் பர்சனோ என்னமோ, நீ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்ருதி யூ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டடி. தென் இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு டாக் ஐ வில் யூஸ் த யுக்தி. இந்த சாஸ்திரம் படிக்காமலே எனக்கு லாஜிக்கெல்லாம் ஐ வாண்ட் டு எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ். தேர் ஆர் பீப்புள் தே திங்க் தே ஆர் ஹைலி இன்டெலிஜென்ட். Therefore we want first you establish logically, then I come to the class. Shastra says nothing doing. You come to Shastra first, then I'll give the logical background. Is it a belief? I am Brahman is not a belief. It's an understanding, it's a knowledge. 4 plus 4 is 8. All of you believe. And எப்படி இருக்கு? 4 plus 4, 8. All of you believe. Yes, Swamini, we will believe now. எப்படி? It's not a belief. Yuktitaha. Prathita yuktibihi. Prathita yuktibihi means with well-known reason. With well-known reason for Vedantic meditation, the subject, that clarity is required. For that clarity sake only yukti. Okay? Through yukti alone you cannot know the Brahman. Through Shastra only you can know Brahman. So yukti also support. It is a support. For some people, logicians, yukti is main, Shastra is the support for them. For a Vedantin, Shruti is the main, yukti is the support. That is called prathita yuktibihi. By the well-known reason, nididhyasanam, So once the subject matter is very clear, Brahman is very clear, there is no need of Guru. You can just contemplate. After studying, no need of Guru means not now. After 15 years, okay. After 15 years, studying thoroughly the whole Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, Brahma Sutra, Guru is not required to get Nishtha. Guru has given the sufficient information. Nididhyasanam is meant to get Nishtha, not to get Jnanam. Understand? Nididhyasanam is meant to get Nishtha, not for Jnanam. For Jnanam, what is required? Guru is required. Teacher is required. Shravanam is required. Attending the class is required. Very, very important. You take care of the child. Prathita yukti vihin. How all this logical, the reasoning is backed by the Shruti. How you have to do? Dhyan. By your intellect. Dhiya means nirmalantah karanena in artham. With pure antahkaranam. Manasu, buddhi, chitta, ahankara is put together, dhiya here. Nirmala antahkaranena. With the pure internal instruments alone. Raga, dvesha, ego, all problems, if they are there, questioning, pinpointing, and some sort of always finding the fault in the teacher, that nature, such a person never get jnanam. That's why dhiya means nirmal antakaranam. I don't know. My guru knows everything. My guru will teach to me. This is called nirmala antakaranam. Surrender. Total surrender, giving the benefit of doubt to my teacher. I never raise my eyebrows in the class. இப்படி எப்படி ஆக முடியும் நான் சொல்லக்கூடாது. வெளியில் சொல்ல மாட்டான். How she can say like this? How do you know to raise that question? How can you allow that doubt to rise in your mind? Because Guru has already accomplished person, therefore I have to grow myself. That's called giving the benefit of doubt to the teacher. That student alone get benefit, full benefit. But unfortunately, some students, not you, I'm telling, you are all very good students. Some people, just they go casual. Papa, இவர் எப்படி பேசுவார்? We'll see. ஏன்னா இவனுக்கு நிறைய எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எல்லாம் கேட்டுட்டு ஆல் பிளேசஸுக்கு போய் he knows their language, their way of expression, everything. இவனுக்கு என்ன வேலைன்னா filtering the whole teaching. How he talks, how she talks, how she looks, how he looks. எதுக்கு இவனுக்கு இதெல்லாம்? உனக்கு என்ன வேணும்னா அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி ஞானம் தானே வேணும். ஒழுங்கா போய் உட்கார்ந்து படிக்க கூடாதோ? ஆஹா. அப்பப்போ சாம்பிளுக்கு சூப்பர்வைசர் மாதிரி போய் அங்கே கொஞ்சம் இங்கே கொஞ்சம் இல்லை. இந்த மாதிரி பீப்புள்னோ இஸ் லைக் டூரிசம் மாதிரி. டூரிசம் தெரியுமில்லையோ? கொஞ்ச நாள் அங்கே போயிட்டு வருவா, இந்த பக்கம் போயிடுவா, அந்த பக்கம் போயிட்டு வருவா. டூரிசம். They arrange travel agency people. அது மாதிரி இவனு கூட அந்த கிளாஸுக்கு கொஞ்ச நாள், இந்த கிளாஸுக்கு கொஞ்ச நாள், அங்கே ஒரு நாள், எல்லா லெக்சர்ஸுக்கு போய் என்னதான் புரியுறோம் என்னதான் கன்ஃபியூஷன் ஜாஸ்தி ஆயிடுச்சு சுவாமினி. கன்ஃபியூஷன் தான் வரும். என்ன வரும்? வேற கன்ஃபியூஷன் தான் வரும். Therefore, yukti bhihim dhiyam with your nirmala antakaranena samshayadi rahitam karambuvat. What knowledge you have to get? Samshayadi rahitam. Adipadat viparita bhavana and asambhavana. very technical terms, samshaya rahita means doubtless knowledge should come. I have no doubt at all. There are so many statements of Shastra, there are so many Upanishads. Nana vidha shruti vakyani asti. They are all confused. Shruti itself confused. Even ஏன்னா ஒரு நாள் ஒரு சாஸ்திரம் ஒழுங்கா படிச்சிருந்தே கிடையாது. And blaming the Shastra. See, Bhagavad Gita, that sloka said like this. Upanishad sloka said like this. How is it possible? How can reconcile? Study it completely. Without studying completely, how can you talk? So this is samshaya. How individual I can become the Paramatma? How they can become one and the same? In the samshayam irundinde irukum. இன்னும் சும்மா வீட்டில் உட்காரதுக்கு மனசு பிடிக்காது, சும்மா வருவா கிளாஸுக்கு, சம்சயம் இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். பட் சங்கராச்சாரிய says சம்சயாதி ரஹிதம். ஆதிபதாத் விபரீத பாவனா. Viparita bhavana is the second. 3 obstacles. First one is samshayam. Samshayam means there are more differences in Shastra. Therefore, this Jivatma, Paramatma can never become one. In the doubt irundunde irukum manasila. So that samshayam போகிற வரைக்கும் நீங்கள் படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கணும்னு சொல்றார் சங்கராச்சாரியர். And second, viparita bhavana means another big obstacle for the assimilation of the teaching. I am the doer, aham karta, aham bhokta, bhavana. I am bound, I am the doer, I am the experiencer, I am bound, I am going to get to mukti. I am going to become a muktaha. This is the viparita bhavana. What is viparita bhavana? I am the doer. Aham karta is a viparita bhavana. I am the experiencer of all is a viparita bhavana. I am baddhaha. I bound by this samsara swamini. I cannot come out. Another solution. Vare vaati. Last. Enna? Vide seriram. Because I am baddhaha. If you leave the body, I am muktaha swamini. Enna nariya punyam pannirukken. This punya will give mukti. Therefore I leave the body. Enna pannaradhu? Shastra says you are not baddhaha at all. You are not a bound person. You are already muktaha. You are ever muktaha. A baddhaha can never become muktaha. A muktaha need not become a baddhaha. But this notion I am a baddhaha is wrong notion. That I have to remove. For that only Shravanam. Priyarda? Nobody is bound. Because I, the Atma, ever free. There is no bandhakatvam also. This bandhakatvam is a bhavana, is a notion. It is a wrong notion I have to remove. If I remove that notion, what will happen? I am ever muktaha, notion will take place. Ever muktanukku moksham venuma sollungo. Ever muktana irukkavanukku edukku moksham? அப்ப என்ன அர்த்தம்? மோட்சம் ಅನ್ನதே கிடையாது. புரியுறதா? நான் பத்தனு நோஷன் இருந்தா தானே எனக்கு மோட்சம் வேணும். அதுக்கு மினிமம் 6 உபனிஷத்து படிக்கணும். நான் பத்தன் இல்லை, நான் எவர் முக்தன்தான், எனக்கு மோட்சம் தேவையே இல்லை, இத்தனை நாள் நான் பத்தனா நினைச்சேன், அதுக்கு தான் முக்தியை வேணும்னு நினைச்சேன், அதுக்கு தான் மோட்சம் வேணும்னு நினைச்சேன். இதெல்லாம் போறதுக்கு 6 உபனிஷத்து மினிமம் படிக்கணும். படிச்ச வரலாம், அதெல்லாம் கேரண்டி. ஏன்னா குவாலிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கணுமே, இருந்தா வரலாம். புண்ணியம் இருந்தா, பூர்வ ஜென்ம புண்ணியம். சரி. தியாம் சம்சய ஆதி ரஹிதம். அத அசம்பாவனா மீன்ஸ் impossibility. Impossibility of this Shastra, it is alaukikam. They don't accept. Shastra is alaukikam, it is apaurusheyam. It is not available for all the sense organs. They never, it is impossible. What? There is Atma which is beyond the body, mind complex. There is a OC. It is impossible. Asambhavana. Impossible and artham. Sambhavana na possible. Asambhavana na impossible and it is a big obstacle. அந்த மாதிரி யோசனை இருந்தா it is impossible and you will never get ஞானம். It is possible, it is the truth, it is the fact, it can be achieved. A person should have sambhavana irkanam, asambhavana notion irukkakoodadu. That is also another obstacle. So that is samshaya, adipadat, viparita bhavana, asambhavana. All these are not there rahitam. They are not there in nischaya jnanam, the doubt-free knowledge. How is it? Kara ambuvat. Kara means hand, the palm. Ambu means jalam. கையில் ஜலம் இருக்க ஏதாவது சம்சயம் இருக்குமா? சில்லுன்னு தெரியறது சுவாமினி. எப்படி தெரியறது? ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்க? கையில் தண்ணி இருக்கும்போது kara ambuvat. Knowledge is ever available. Any situation, any crisis comes, he says, no, it is not to me, I am Brahman. That is called kara ambuvat. நமக்கு என்னன்னா ஞானம் எங்கேயோ இருக்கும். ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வந்த உடனே சுவாமினி ஞாபகம் வராது, டீச்சிங் ஞாபகம் வராது, ஒன்றும் ஞாபகம் வராது, அழுதுண்டே இருப்போம். எதுக்கப்பா இந்த டீச்சிங்னா? கர அம்புவது இருக்கணும் ஞானம். At the time of the crisis, when I am undergoing a severe pain, mentally, physically also, that pain will not affect me. அதுதான் கர அம்புவது இருக்க. அப்படி இருந்தா you are best student ன்னு அர்த்தம். பெஸ்ட் ஆகிறதுக்கு முயற்சி பண்ணணும். கர அம்புவது தேன. தேன means tena bhavanena, with that bhavana anartham. Tena, by that attitude, with that attitude, with that bhavana, with that chintana, with that thinking, tattva nigamaha bhavishyati. Tattva nigamaha means tattva nirnayaha anartham. Tattva nirnayaha means it's a conviction anartham. Tattva means knowledge, nirnayaha means conviction. Conviction of knowledge with regard to Brahma Jnanam. People go on telling, my Guru is so great, my Guru is so great. எத்தனை நாள் சொல்லிண்டே இருப்பான். My Guru is so great, it teaches very well. My Guru is so great, teaches very well. Puja Swamiji always gives one nice joke. All these parrots, one old parrot is there. And an old parrot is telling to all young parrots, hey, here one hunter is moving, be careful, don't go that side. This old parrot, Papa Anubhavan, no? It has given advice to all these young parrots. These parrots are all listening carefully. There is a hunter. We should not go that side. We have to be very careful. And they are all learning this statement. Hunter is around. Be careful. Ellarku kanta paatham aayiduthe. Sir, in the young old parrot, Pama was sitting on the tree only. Young parrots all went. And that hunter came and put the net. In the all parrots, and the cat caught by that hunter. And these parrots are repeating the same thing. Hunter is around, be careful. Hunter is around, be careful. Hunter is around, be careful. Eppo in the net. And the net la irundha enna solradhu? Hunter is around, be careful. Inga enna careful? Already you have fallen in the net. What is the statement? And the old parrot சொல்லும் போது அர்த்தம் புரியலன்னு அர்த்தம். திருப்பி அதே ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் சொல்றான். அது மாதிரி நிறைய பேர் என்னுடைய குரு சோ கிரேட், பாப்பா அவர் நல்லா டீச் பண்றாரு, நீ என்ன பண்ண? அது நான் இப்படிதான் இருக்கேன். அந்த parrots மாதிரி. It won't work. Okay. Tena tattva nigamaha bhavishyati means that firmness, that knowledge, I am Brahman, jnana nishtha will bhavishyati, will take place. Brahmavit brahmaiva bhavati. Next shloka. Sambodhamatram parishuddha tattvam विज्ञाय संघे नृपवच्च सैन्ये तदाश्रयस्वात्मनि सर्वदा स्थितः विलापय ब्रह्मणि विश्वजातम्. Now Shankaracharya coming to a different topic. Nididhyasanam over. He is again making the seeker very alert. Vasana, he is going to start from 267, how to destroy this vasana. Vasanas which are very, very, very deep rooted wrong notions, how to pluck them out. அதுக்கு இவர் பேக்ரவுண்ட் கொடுக்கிறார் இப்போ. அது ஃபவுண்டேஷன் ஸ்லோகா. ஸோ பிஃபோர் கோயிங் டு தட் டாபிக் ஹீ இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் கிவிங் ஏ பிரீஃப் ஐடியா how to destroy these vasanas, how strong they are. எதுக்கு அது இத்தனை வருஷம் நான் ஏன் கிளாஸுக்கு வரணும், ஏன் ஒரு கிளாஸ்லையும் புரியக்கூடாது அண்ணா, புரியாது, அவ்வளோதான். டிஃபிகல்ட் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் வாசனா பலம். வாசனான்னா மல்லி வாசனை ஜாஜி வாசனை கிடையாது. வாசனான்னா the lurking wrong notions which are lurking very deep rooted in artham, they are called vasanas. He is going to explain very detailed way. Sambodha matram, there is two readings here. Swambodha matram also is okay, Sambodha matram also okay. One's own anartham. Sambodha matram means one's own pure consciousness. One's own pure consciousness. Vishuddha tattvam vijnaya or parishuddha tattvam vijnaya. One should recognize the pure reality. Vijnaya means one should recognize, having recognized, having discovered, having known. Vijnaya. What? Parishuddha tattvam. Tattva means reality. Shuddha means pure. Parishuddha means very, very pure reality. I am Nitya Buddha Shuddha Mukta Swarupaha Aham Atma Asmi. Illa Nanaham. I am Anityaha. Nityan ke badala Anityaha. Buddha ke badala Baddha. Muktaha badala Baddha. Buddha ke badala Abuddha. I am an unintelligent, impure, bound person ani yoshikpa. Apdi illeppa, you are Muktaha. No, Swami, I am Baddha. So, Parishuddha Tattvam, that is called ever pure, eternal nature, Vijnaya. Sainye nripavat cha sanghen. Very nice example. When the king is there, there are so many thousands of soldiers. Among so many thousands of soldiers, you can recognize immediately the king. Yes or no? அவர் தான் ராஜா. எப்படி தெரியும்? அவர் பாரு, அவர் வேஷம் பார்த்தாலே தெரியுமே. நல்ல கிரீடம் வச்சு எல்லாம், ஆல் த ட்ரெஸ் இட் செல்ஃப் டிஃபரெண்ட், அவர் வாகனமே டிஃபரெண்ட், அவர் லுக்கே டிஃபரெண்ட், வர்ச்சஸ் தேஜஸ், க்ஷத்ரிய தேஜஸ் இந்த முகம்ல தெரியும். இந்த சைன்யத்தில் இருக்கிற சோல்ஜர்ஸுக்கு இந்த ராஜனுக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? நல்லா தெரியும். அதே மாதிரி தான் இந்த பாடி சங்கை అంటే సంఘే మీన్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ సైన్యం ఇస్ వాట్? పంచ జ్ఞానేంద్రియాణి పంచ కర్మేంద్రియాణి ప్రాణ పంచ ప్రాణాః పంచ కోశాః పంచ త్రీణి శరీరాణి. Among all these soldiers, who is standing apart? Brahman Raja. Nrupanna Raja. Rajavat, Nrupavat. Sainye. Inge Sainyam. Inge enak namak enna Sainyam? These all Anatma. 17 Anatmas. Onna Runda. 17 faculties. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4. 19 போட்டுக்கலாம். Okay, 19 or 17. Antakaranam you divide 4, totally 19. இதெல்லாம் பேசிக். இட் இஸ் யுவர் ஹோம்ஒர்க். பேசிக் ஹோம்ஒர்க். ஓகே. விஜ்ஞாய சங்கே நிருபவத் சைன்யே. சைன்யே நிருபவத். இந்த சங்கே, in this body mind complex, you have to stand apart as consciousness Brahman. ராஜா எப்படி இருப்பான்? தைரியமா, ஆனந்தமா, வித் வேலர், with so much strength, with a bloomy face, with lot of confidence. A person also who knows Atma is very confident, very brave, very courageous. That person never have fear at all. He never afraid of anything, any blessed thing in this creation. No fear at all. ஏன்னா I am the consciousness. ராஜா மாதிரி இப்படி எப்படி இருக்கணும்? சைன்யம் மாதிரி இருக்கும். ராஜா மாதிரி ஆகணும். அதுக்காக ராஜா ஆகணும். எப்படி? He has to fight with the enemies. So therefore tad ashrayaha swatmani sarvada sthitah. That is first 2 lines is the first stage. First stage is that karanadi sanghata. Among them I have to stand apart, detach intellectually. I am not this body. Mano buddhi ahankara chittani naham na shotram ha jimhe na chagrana netre na chavyoma bhumir na tejo na vayuh chidananda rupa shivoham shivoham na me dvesha ragau na me lobha mohau मदो नैव मे नैव मात्सर्य भावः न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्षः चिदानंद रूप शिवोहम शिवोहम. அப்படி சொல்லணும். So that is the first stage. Vijnaya Sanghe as consciousness. It is like Rasagulla madri. Rasagulla is in the juice. And the Rasagulla just you crush, no? And take Rasagulla and eat. எப்படி இருக்கும்? சப்புன்னு இருக்கும். இந்த ரசகுல்லா இஸ் ரசகுல்லா பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் ஜூஸ். இப்போ நம்ம ஜூஸ் யாருன்னா கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் இஸ் த ஜூஸ். இந்த கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் இல்லைன்னா இந்த ஹோல் ரசகுல்லா பாடி இஸ் ரசகுல்லா. அந்த கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் இல்லைன்னா இந்த ஹோல் பாடி சப்புன்னு இருக்கும். சிரிக்க முடியாது, பிளிங்க் பண்ண முடியாது, ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது, யூஸ்லெஸ். ஸோ இது நைஸ் ரசகுல்லா பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் ஜூஸ். ஓகே. தத் ஆஸ்ரய, தி செகண்ட் ஸ்டேஜ். இந்த செகண்ட் லைன் இஸ் a second stage of sadhana. First stage of sadhana is I am not this body, I am not this mind, I am not all these things, I am the consciousness. Then second stage, having sorted out that anatma, atma anatma, what I have to do? I am not body with consciousness, but I am consciousness with body. என்று சொல்லணும். தத் ஆஸ்ரய ஸ்வாத்மனி சர்வதா ஸ்திதஹ. Tadashraya means resort to that jnanam, depending on to that knowledge. With the help of that knowledge, swatmani sthitam, may you claim, may you abide in your own Atmaswarupam. Then everything merge into Brahman. Brahmani vilapaya visvajatam. The whole universe merge into Brahman. More in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri